So in this video we will be talking about how we can take a complete WordPress website backup. So if you want to take a complete WordPress website backup, then you can first of all come over to the admin dashboard, and here you will need to scroll down to plugins and you will have to add a new plugin. So after taking the backup you will be able to get a file. So using this method you will be able to take a complete website backup including the database. There will be no data loss when you will install the backup. So you will have to install a plugin that is called WP Migration. So here is the plugin, all-in-one WP Migration. We will install it, activate. So to do the backup we will have to go to all-in-one WP Migration option over here, and we will go to export, and here we can export to file, and this will download a file to our computer, or we can also use this backup option over here. So in this case we will create a backup and it will be stored on our website, and we can also download it to our computer. So it will be stored at two places, so it is more better way I think. So you can just click on create backup. Now it will take its time, so we can fast forward the video. So when you can see the backup is ready, so we can just download it. You can just click on it and it will start downloading. I am using IDM, so I can download it using that. So here you can see on the server it is stored as well. So if there will be any issue you can also restore it. If you want to restore the backup from the file, then you will have to go to import, and here you can upload the file to restore the backup. So it says maximum upload size 20 MB, but the backup was of 275 MB. So this issue can be fixed by watching this video, how to increase max upload size in WP migration. So I will provide the link of this video in the description as well. So another common issue that occurs, that the import stuck while uploading when you are uploading from a file. So that error can also be fixed by watching this video. So the same procedure will fix the both issues. So thank you for watching this video. We'll also create a separate video on import stuck problem. So I will tell you about the same issue. So thank you for watching.